Well, let's see, I think I got started about 1990. Uh, actually took a bird class out at WIT, and Bill Huser, that's with his day, he was the guy that taught it. My wife and I used to do a lot of hiking and biking, and we'd see birds, and you know, got a field guide. And plus, my son is a naturalist. He's a naturalist for Cerro Gordo County, and he kind of helped us along too. So we wanted to know what those birds were we were seeing. So.
Well, when I was about 5 or 6, my next door neighbor who was dying, but he handed down his Audubon book to me, so I thought that was pretty neat, and then pretty much I was interested from then on. I have to say the blue grosbeak's pretty neat. I like swallow-tailed kite too. You know, pretty much every new bird I see, I guess. About 285 species. I'm working on 300 this year, so.
More music, but I can't hear. I'm surprised I can. Now it just flew up to that dead tree.
Up there in the top of that dead tree.
That's the first one I've seen this year, but
Yeah.
I've been missing them all.
There goes blue grosbeak to the right. Facing this oriole for some reason. I've been doing this 35 years, and I've had locally here 300 and some species. So in the low 300s, probably about 310 species or so. Well, actually, I paid attention to birds even when I was younger. I had a little book that told what some of them were, and then when I got a little older, I saw how much more diversity there was there than what this little book showed, and so I got into it a little more seriously in 1973 then, and started trying to see as many different kinds as I could. Something just flushed off.
Well, around here, right here, one of the favorite ones right here in the fall and winter is a short-eared owl. We see quite a few of those out here. Scarlet tanager, bobolinks out here. They're all pretty nice.